Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Children here in Paris at Pharma Europe. I'm delighted to be joined by my connection, Nico, Spribille, hopefully I've got his name correctly, from Corning Pharmaceutical Technologies. And we're going to find out a bit more about Corning Pharmaceutical Technologies and what they're talking to businesses about this week. So first of all, Nico, it's lovely to finally meet you in person. How are you?
I'm doing very well, enjoying Paris. It's a great time here. And it's fantastic to finally meet our customers and industry peers again.
Brilliant. Now, before we talk about what you're discussing with customers, how has the first day been?
Oh, it's been really, really great. I was surprised, had quite some meetings, additional people popping in, so I'm sorry if you don't hear me that well anymore. I've been talking quite a lot and we had a great first day.
That's a very good sign. Fantastic. Now, for those people who are familiar with Corning Pharmaceutical Technologies, can you give me a quick overview of the business?
So first of all, we belong to Corning. Corning is a material science company that's been on the market already for 170 years, mainly focused in the glass business. And Corning Pharmaceutical Technologies offers glass vials made of tubular glass, as well as the glass tubing.
Brilliant. Now, this week at Pharma, what are you actually talking to businesses about?
Oh, that's a good question. We are mainly talking about, first of all, improving efficiencies at customers. So our, for example, velocity vials, as well as our Corning Valor vials, they can manage to improve filling line efficiency by 30 to 50%, which in these days, still with a lack of capacity out there at filling lines, can really help to best utilize customer filling lines, especially with CDMOs. And also, for example, we are engaged very much in the COVID business, so we are supporting the industry here. Secondly, we are really supporting our customers in terms of total cost of ownership models. Here we are discussing how we can make the difference for them in the cost, also related to quality. And thirdly, we are also promoting here our great new partnership with West Pharmaceuticals, and West and Corning just recently announced a partnership where we start promoting our products together, developing solutions for our customers, and really making lives easier for our customers and finally for the patients as well.
That's really interesting. I think collaboration is the key word these days in pharma, as more and more companies are working with other partners now to bring end-to-end solutions to their customers.
And I'm sorry, I didn't understand you.
I'm saying collaboration seems to be the buzzword in pharma these days, with a lot of companies now partnering with others to help their own customers.
Yeah. And this is true. I mean, at the end of the day, we want the best for our patients, and a patient can really profit from different industry partners peering up and partnering together, and then finally having the best and most safest solution for the patient at the end of the day.
Brilliant. Now, obviously, people are here. They can come to your booth C80 and talk to you and the team. But if people aren't here, where can they get more information?
Oh well, we have our website corning.com. Feel free to click on Pharmaceutical Technologies. I've got my LinkedIn profile, obviously, or you can just reach out to pharma@corning.com, and the email will be forwarded to me or other people in business development.
Fantastic, Nico. Well, look, genuinely, it's been lovely to meet you in person for the first time. And I hope you have a fantastic event for the rest of the week. There you go, viewers. So if you're here in Paris for Pharma Pack, check out the Corning Pharmaceutical Technologies booth C80 and talk to Nico and the team. If you can't make it, check out their website or LinkedIn page. And all I have to say is enjoy the rest of the show. Nico and viewers, thank you very much. Stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you.